Let's see how can we add different date format in Microsoft Excel. Here I have United Kingdom and United States date format. First of all, click on Cell. Click on drop-down and select More Number Formats. Select Number Format and Location. Click OK. Type starting date on the cell. Now you can simply extend the cell. Here you can see the month and year is same but the date is increasing. You can also choose which part of the date would be fixed and which would be dynamic. This is how you can add the sequence of date in a local format. You can also use the same process for United States or any other format. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.